Oh boy. Yes.
Weirdest thing I've ever done? Maybe.
Cute phone case, girlfriend.
Hey guys. Today we're gonna hop on a little trend and do the doing somebody's tutorial trend. And you know, we wanted to do a DIY tutorial because we're not beauty gurus. I mean, we could attempt that, but we wanted to try a DIY, do something a little bit different. We thought long and hard about whose tutorial we should do. We wanted to do something that we've never tried before, and that brings us to GLITTERFOREVER17. So we've definitely seen over the years asking for collabs with her, asking us to do slime stuff and glitter stuff. That's not really our style. We don't usually do that, but today I'm gonna try it. We're gonna see how it goes. So we're gonna be following one of her most popular tutorials. We actually saw this go viral a couple years ago. It's her DIY hairbrush phone case video. Yes, that's a real thing. And we're gonna try it today. I got some team members here that helped me put together a list of what the DIY entails, and we're gonna go head to the store and get them supplies. Okay, you said we need some clear nail polish?
$1.50.
This is gonna add up. Need this.
When Arden ships it. That's so funny. That's like the same thing we made in the same fabric.
They're cute though.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Big enough? It's pink already.
It might be easier to paint over if you get the already pink one.
And a phone case, right?
Yeah.
Like a panda one?
No, just something really plain.
Literally the only one. That could work. Oh, it's cute though. Yo, low-key, I need a new phone case. Can we use this one? I'll keep this one. All right, so we got all of the supplies. I guess I have to like watch it. I was like gonna start doing the tutorial. No, I need to follow the tutorial. Also, we don't really follow tutorials, so this is like weird. I've seen this video when it went viral. I haven't seen it recently. I'm really intrigued by what this is. Spackling, like drywall.
Okay, bye.
Okay, that is obnoxious. Classic YouTuber guru shots. I wish I had twinkle lights and the lipstick to match for video.
Case. Let's get started.
Is this even warm yet? Like real DIY problems. This part is always cut out of the video. Okay, I know hot glue dries like really fast, so like I don't know what she did here. Okay, now we're filling in the sides. I feel like you need to do this, otherwise like this would just fall completely off.
Now just let this dry in the
fridge. Okay, hold on. Dry in the fridge? I've never put any glue gun project in the fridge to dry. Wait, is there a reason? Like, are we missing something?
Try it.
This is like opening us up to like people doing art tutorials and criticizing us. I'm not ready for this. We didn't think this one through, Becky. I mean, I guess people do art tutorials all the time. Like, what am I saying? But they don't like film themselves struggling.
It's because you don't struggle doing a TheSorryGirls video.
We struggle for you, actually. So she went over the handle. Do I have to? I feel like that won't look good. Oh my God, no.
What's happening?
I just don't know what to do. I'm not gonna go over the handle, I'm sorry. I think it'll look better this way. This is art, guys, creative liberties. Also, my glue is like dripping everywhere. Look at this drippage. Mm-hmm.
Now just let this dry in the fridge for about 10
the fridge.
minutes.
Actually, I kind of see why she said to do that now, because like, this will take a while. And she's like, I got things to do. And I also have things to do. Thank you for that tip. Also, get yourself a drink because you've been working hard. See you in 10 minutes, I guess. Okay, we're back from the fridge and she's getting there, I think, maybe. Is this toxic? Are we allowed to use our fingers on this? Hold on. Contents may be harmful, may irritate eyes and skin. Is ready to be sanded or painted in 1 to 5 hours. I can't even get this open. I don't want to ruin my nails. Okay, Pepto-Bismol. Should we put something down? She didn't talk about protecting her surface, but I feel like I should do that. Oh! Got it.
How's that feel?
Interesting. Also, low-key, what are we gonna do for 1 to 5 hours? How's it looking?
It's looking like a thing.
Like, did she cover the whole handle?
And this took time because I should have built it up more with the hot glue. And when I was done, I let it dry.
Now you tell me.
So I let this set out overnight in front of a fan to fully
Overnight?
harden.
Weirdest thing I've ever done? Maybe. This is high up there on that list. Ugh, I feel like I'm a kid in school and I'm like, can't be done yet. Done? Let this dry.
Okay, so I'm back to finish up this interesting cell phone case DIY thing. We left it overnight and it's completely dry now, so we're gonna move on with the tutorial.
I'm lightly sanding all of the bumps and creases out of it. This took me a good 30 minutes to make it
30
completely
minutes?
smooth and perfect.
Girlfriend, it's a hairbrush. So far this easy phone case has taken like 2 days to make.
So the question I have is like, don't your phone cases need to like bend a little bit when you're putting them on? Like they kind of flex a little bit, you know?
We'll find out.
And before I painted, I wanted to put some masking tape around the bristles just to make sure that no paint gets on them because I am such a klutz. I'm actually going to be finger painting this on. So I decided to paint.
Okay. I don't want to touch it. It's weird. Like I have a whole drawer of paintbrushes. It's just wrong. It's so weird. Okay, so it's dry.
Applying some clear nail polish and sprinkling some white iridescent glitter all over it. It's so beautiful and
Wait,
glittery.
for real? I know we bought this, but this is still so bizarre to me that we're using nail polish for this and not just like clear lacquer paint or whatever. Mod Podge, anything else. I don't know how I feel about this. It's very weird to use nail polish for this and it's just like, it's not looking as cute as hers and I'm just upset about it. Because I like to do DIYs that I'm good at. It just looks like I spilled salt on my phone case. Oh boy. Okay, moving on. Moving on.
You could either glue on a small mirror, or you could do what I do, boo, and glue on some glitterful jewels.
All right, let's do what you do, boo. Cool. That, my friends, is why we don't finger paint. You know what? I actually thought it would be worse. There's just like this little strip of white that didn't get painted. Don't really know if this is saving it. Yes. Let's put a phone in this and see if it works. You're right, it has to be more flexible than this. Oh, literally so much glitter is coming off on my fingers. It's a mess. Guru glam time with this?
Yeah. Are you having issues here?
I can't get my phone out, honestly. Putty stuff hardened and now it's so tight that it can't bend.
I mean, can you just break the... Can I have this case when you're done, Becky? I would really like to use it so I can brush my hair and take selfies.
Yes, you can. You can have parts of it right now. I'm so afraid it's gonna scratch my phone.
Breland, are you seeing what we have to do here? Oh my god, do you want me to try again?
Take this to the Apple store. Help!
Not coming out.
It's just so tight on the other corners. Okay. Great. Cute phone case, girlfriend. R.I.P. beautiful DIY. Anyways. All right, so that was us recreating someone else's DIY tutorial. I don't know if we did it as well or if it turned out cute at all, but you can tell us in the comments below. If there's someone else that you think we should attempt their DIYs or their tutorials, let us know below as well, and who knows, maybe we will do this again. Thanks so much for watching, guys. As always, if you like this video, make sure you like it. And if you love it, make sure you subscribe. Sub it.